Symptoms of a nerve condition vary from person to person depending upon the cause, but the nerve leaf can cure several types of nerve diseases. This Ayurvedic medicinal plant is a very effective medicine for nerve problems. So, many of the Ayurvedic doctors mention it as nerve leaf. This plant is well known as Bhringraj. False daisy is another name. Let us discuss how to use these plant leaves. These conditions can be treated by this herbal plant. Loss of muscle strength, memory loss, tremors, muscle rigidity, anxiety, numbness, etc. How to use this leaf? We need some of the fresh leaves of this plant. Make a teaspoonful of juice after washing with water. Mix half a spoon of honey with the juice. Your medicine is ready for morning. You should take this twice a day, morning and evening, for 2 weeks. You need to make this medicine twice a day when you take this. Thank you for watching.